Today I'm going to show you how to make a video. Now this is very simple. If anybody wants to be a YouTuber, it does take time to actually set up the channel. So just keep in mind that. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own YouTube video for YouTube. I'm going to be giving you advice through the video. When you see these graphics, you will know whenever a new device is coming up. I don't even know what graphics mean. Hang on. You gotta have a dictionary around. Where is that word? Found it! Graphics. Noun. The art and/or process of producing graphs, diagrams, drawings, etc. Okay, so let's actually just get with the video because I'm like a chatterbox today and I don't need to be a chatterbox today. Let's do this, people. When you start your channel, make sure to have fantastic lighting, which means like this. Make sure not to stand in front of a window because you get this weird light thing and you become darker in the video. So make sure to get in a place like in front of a window. Here, this is what not to do. And this is what to do. When you're starting out your channel, make sure to not make it in an echoey place like this. It's pretty echoey. Yeah, you don't want echo. Make sure not to have just a blank wall, because that's boring. Make it pizzazzy, like maybe some artwork, for example. Or maybe just do it out of your room. Most of the time in your videos, you will need a backdrop because it makes your videos better that way. If you have a backdrop, get a backdrop, just use a backdrop. Or you can just put a blanket in front of your bed like I did here. Woo! Also, when you're starting out your channel, make sure to do it in one specific spot or two specific spots, but don't go throughout your whole house just filming your house, because if somebody hacks, if you get a hacker, if there's a hacker that hacks into you, then you don't want them to know where you live. You don't want the whole world to know what your house looks like. I mean, that's kind of dangerous. That's on the non-safety side. Also, when making your videos, you need an intro. Some people don't do intros, but it's better to do an intro because it makes your videos more interesting. Like this intro. Ashley, fun time is the best fun time around. I made up the jingle and I drew the picture. I can't really sing the voice now. That was I filmed that when I was 11. All right, I'm gonna try to do it. Ashley, 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 fun time is the best fun time around. I can't do it. Also, make sure your channel has a theme. If you like crafts, make a crafting channel. If you like Legos, make a Lego channel. If you like to draw, drawing channel. If you like to do skits, do a skit channel. If you do not know what a skit is, here's one. Oh, hello class, my name is Mrs. Teacher. It's very great to see you all here today. At least I think you're all here today. Let me look at the roll call. Let's do attendance. Do we have Holly, Sage, Kit, Eva, Ruby, Julie, Marilyn, Abigail, Nathan, Riley, Mandy, Kitty, Millie, and Alif? Oh, here. Great job. Now let me go. Alright, today's math lesson is adding and subtracting. Okay, what's 1 plus 1? Yes, it's 2. What is 3 plus 11? Yes, it's 14. Okay, subtraction problems. What is 12 minus 4? Correct. Great job, Marilyn. Okay. 8 minus 5. Oh, yes. Fantastic job, Valentine. Also, today's sketch was going to be language, math, social studies, science, reading, grammar, and then recess. And then after recess, you will have lunchtime, and then you'll be able to go home. Does everybody understand? Also, when making a video, you will need a camera. When I'm out in public, when I'm vlogging, normally I can take my camera with me. Or if I somehow forgot my camera, I can use my phone. Noise is a very common mistake with videos, because a lot of people have like their TV going on in the background, or music, or chickens chirping. Here's an example. You might want to turn your volume down a little bit for this one. Video length is key to making great videos and getting subscribers. Make sure your videos are between 4 minutes and 8 to 9 minutes. Make sure that you engage with the camera and act like the camera is your friend. Hello there, friend. If you want to see a room tour, clicky that like button. And I'll see you guys next time.